I'm Steph Evans of Evotech, who are partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites looking at how you can use the custom tool palette to add your macros and scripts to the Apex environment.
Okay, so a quick example here showing how we can access the custom tool palette in Apex. So we go into options, scripting and customization, and check the enable custom tool palette box, click apply, and then in the right hand tool ribbon we can see we've got the custom tool palette available. This allows us to access Python macros directly from the Apex environment. So we can add a tool, so we're just going to add an example Python script we've developed. This one's focused on mass property calculation. So put in a name, we can select an icon which shows up in the form as a PNG file, and then we can specify the actual script itself. So this is a Python script, so select that and then check on the UI macro box if we want to use the form, and then we're done, and then we can just access that tool permanently, if you like, within the Apex environment. So just to run this one as a quick example, so we're calculating the mass properties in the first instance for an assembly. So select the assembly and then hit the green tick, and then we get the mass properties shown for that given assembly. We can repeat that based on different selection filters, so we're doing this based on parts. Again, green tick, select OK, and we've got the mass property set for those discrete bodies. Okay, that's it. I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.